I am Engineer Ashish Patra, former Joint Director and the then Engineering Head of State Agriculture Department. I am going to present a topic on agricultural development because agriculture development is the basic need of the country now. Food and fiber are two most essential commodities for everyone, including the human beings and all other living organizations in the earth for their sustenance. As agriculture has fulfilled the food need of man, it has been a part of his life since its finding in the earth. It is also a matter of the fact that this agriculture enabled the primitive man to lead a settled life. They stopped moving hither and thither in search of food on account of agricultural development. Truly speaking, agricultural development has now been an important issue in India in order to meet the food, feed, fiber and fuel needs of the exploding population. But at the same time, population growth beyond anyone's expectation has shattered the environment and the countrymen too. Apart from degraded environment, the unimaginable population growth rate has also reduced the per capita availability of lands and other natural resources as well. This has constrained the farmers to maximize the agricultural productivity per unit of land. Thus, the enormous strain on the land and water resource aiming at enhanced agricultural production for the teeming millions of the country people has resulted adverse effects in form of environmental instability and a host of other related hazards. Hence, a sensitive but resourceful has to operate the agricultural development system has to be designed. Ideal projects have to be organized with identification of various types of developments in connection with the land and other natural resources with adoption of innovative agricultural technologies. The exact cropping pattern needs to be analyzed prudently for a given situation. With a view to gear up the agricultural development activities, the cropping pattern should be made in conformity with the moisture regime and other factors made available there. Now, I am going to tell about the Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life owing to presence of life-sustaining elements such as land, water and air in it. Although the surface area of the Earth measures near about 20 crore square miles, the land area is meager in comparison with the water spread area. The lands are covered with a relatively thin layer of topsoil, and it is really amazing that the world's annual production of food and fiber is being produced largely from this thin layer only. So, soil is said to be the most precious and valuable resource on account of its contribution. It is an abiotic resource and renewable also. The top layer of the soil is productive, and this productive soil layer is now governing the economy of the entire world and mostly of our country. However, the quality and distribution of soil mass is of great importance as it determines the growth of agriculture for the region, that the soil only provides support and nourishment to the crops and plants.